Take your Honda Pilot on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers custom fit for your spacious interior. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. Starting with the front bucket seats, remove the headrest and stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Now, tuck the fabric under the armrest and fasten together with the hook and loop closure. Next, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From under the seat bottom, disconnect the original factory seat flap, lift the flap up, then grab the straps and secure them to the backrest using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat with the buckle clip. Adjust and pull the straps to tighten and secure. Now, slip the armrest covers on. Then, tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrests and slip the headrest covers on. Next, remove the headrest from the middle row bench seat. Fold down each section and slip the covers around the backrest. Attach the center console cover around the console and cup holders. Then, push the straps under the center console and attach the straps to the console with the adhesive sides. And then tuck the fabric into place. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the buckle straps through the crevice to the underside. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Connect them together under the seat with the buckle clip to secure the cover. Reattach the headrest and slip on the covers. Now, remove the middle headrest of the rear bench seat. Stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Tuck the fabric around and under the base of the headrest and secure with hook and loop adhesive sides. Push the hook and loop straps through the crevice and attach to the underside. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Push the hook and loop straps through the center crevice and attach inside, tucking the fabric in. Then use the attached clips to lock the seat cover bottom to the base for a snug fit. Next, secure the straps using the hook and loop adhesive sides. You'll find that the covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications, allowing the cutouts access to all the vehicle's controls. And that's it! You are ready to enjoy the full benefits of your Honda Pilot with the stylish and practical newly installed custom fit neoprene seat covers.